This is a prestigious event we are hosting, and the boys and the ladies are preparing quite well. They should have come from a high performance camp in South Africa, and we played matches against Blitzburg and other high quality teams. And all this is to make sure that we make you proud come 14 and 15.
Hosting such an event is not mean feat. So we need as many partners to come on board, not just those who are here, but we are appealing to more to come and partner with us. Most importantly, I'd like to recognize the support we receive from the government of Kenya through Ministry of Sports and SASDEF, without whom we wouldn't actually be able to even host this event, because one of the requirements by World Rugby was to get that letter of commitment from the government.